Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Holiday Inn Express and Suites Maumelle, an IHG hotel. It's a 2-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get special pricing. Some of the most popular facilities are one swimming pool and a pet friendly. This hotel has a heated indoor pool, a fitness center and a breakfast bar featuring cinnamon rolls. Self-service laundry facilities are available. Little Rock is 17 miles away. Holiday Inn Express Maumelle's rooms have air conditioning, TV with cable channels and free Wi-Fi. Guests can make small snacks using the microwave and mini fridge. Holiday Inn Express provides housekeeping services for all guest rooms. It organizes pickup services for visitors, laundry and dry cleaning. The Holiday Inn Express Maumelle is 4 miles away from Country Club of Arkansas. Verizon Arena is a 20-minute drive away. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.